This is the case of fruit versus fast food. As I understand the pleadings, the charge against fast food is that they have brought an alarming number of people all over the world to being overweight and having serious health problems. Are there any opening statements?
Your Honor, in this case, we will show that obesity is a major public health problem across the world. Obesity, especially child obesity from fast food, is the growing problem in the world today. The main culprit is actually hiding under the veil of the yummy taste and the low cost of the happy meals. Yes, it's the fast food that we cannot simply resist. Through our evidence, we will show that eating fast food and leading a sedentary lifestyle leads to obesity, which leads to other complications like increasing the cholesterol level, blocking of the arteries, and so on. Thank you, Your Honor.
Does the attorney for the fast food have any opening statement?
Your Honor, these charges against my client are ridiculous. We will show that fast food products are very delicious and convenient when you decide to grab a bite while in a hurry, and it will not harm anybody's health in the long run.
Very well. Call your first witness.
I call the banana as my first witness.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may question the witness.
Please state your name.
I am the banana. Peel my skin and you will see how delicious I can be.
Where do you live?
I hang the bunch.
Do you consider people have forgotten the benefits you bring to their health?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Could you remind us some of the benefits you bring to our good health?
Certainly, I am known for my high potassium content. Potassium is necessary for good nerve and muscle function. It can also help prevent muscle cramps after exercise. In meat you can also find a large amount of vitamin B6, which can improve your metabolism and brain function. And have you ever noticed that I very much resemble with your smile? That's not a coincidence at all, because I can generate one of the most important mood-regulating chemicals in the brain.
All right, thank you. You may step down.
I call the hamburger as my first witness.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may question the witness.
Please state your name.
I am a hamburger with scoops of special sauce. My blended cheese and toasted bun are always good, of course.
Where do you live?
On the menu of every fast food restaurant.
Why do you think people appreciate fast food products so much?
Because they're very easy. You can find it everywhere. They provide something comfort. They are cheap and last. But notice, they are very tasty.
I object. The witness is misleading the auditory on purpose. Most of these quick and convenient meals contain high amount of sodium, which increases and aggravates the risk of high blood pressure.
If I have your permission, I contain many fresh ingredients and things full of proteins, vitamins, such as beef, lettuce, onions, or tomatoes.
I object. We can provide evidence that the hamburgers are filled with growth hormones and the lettuce is sprayed with pesticides. Processed meat is the best choice of the fast food chain to provide to consumers because it is cheap. We can find sodium nitrite in processed meat, which is believed to be the primary cause of pancreatic cancer in humans. The food industry uses it because these chemicals resembles the turn meats bright red.
This is outrageous! I will not allow you to offend me and my kind!
Please calm down. Thank you. You may step down.
I call the lemon as my second witness.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may question a witness.
Please state your name.
I am the lemon. I know you wonder how anyone could enjoy such a creation, but you will soon realize that this acidic wonder has potential.
Where do you live?
In a tiny lemon tree.
Could you remind us some of the benefits you bring to our good health?
Of course I can. I contain vitamin C, which is essential to human health because it improves our resistance against bacteria and viruses. It helps heal cuts and keeps gums and the teeth healthy. I also have a burning quality. My advice to all of you is to add slices of meat to your water for a boost of vitamin C that will pump up your immune system and support proper digestion.
All right, thank you. You may step down.
I call the French fries as my second witness.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
We do.
You may question your witness.
Please state your name.
We are the French fries.
The taste is dish, good as anyone could wish.
Where do you live?
On a nice day near a juicy steak.
Why do you think people love to eat it so much?
Oh, what a silly question! Beside the fact that we are really delicious, we give in some gratification. We can be eaten in various ways and with various sauces.
We are also cheap and easy to find.
And last but not least, we are essentially potatoes. With the exception of vitamin A, we have just about every nutrient. Did you know that we are full of vitamin C?
I object. The winners may be delicious, but it is also deadly. Yes, they may be. Yes, they may be coming from a healthy vegetable, but fried in oil, they have no nutritional value left from the potato. Most fast food fries are fried in hydrogenated oils, which are full of trans fatty acids and can clog your arteries. A potato is a healthy food. It is what is done preparing it that can make it bad. The witness stated that they are full of vitamin C. The information is correct in the case of raw potatoes. However, since we do not eat potatoes raw, most of the vitamin C is lost due to the heat of cooking. Fresh fries are also extremely salty, so they give high risk for heart attack.
Thank you. You may sit down.
I call the emperor's my third witness.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may question your witness.
Please state your name.
I am the apple, crunchy seed and so good to eat.
Where do you live?
In the backyards of so many people's homes.
Could you remind us some of the benefits you bring to our good health?
Oh, I will be happy to. I will present to you some reasons why an apple a day really keeps the doctor oil as in the famous saying. I contain vitamin C, and as my other friends tell you, it helps with your immune system. I'm loving your eyes. Eating me when you are craving for candy or chocolate can make desire disappear since I contain sugar, I can prevent tooth decay. My juice has the properties that can kill up to 80% of bacteria. So there you have it, an apple. A day also keeps the dentist oily, and I taste great. It's not only that, we also come in many flavors and colors.
Alright, thank you. You may step down.
I got the pizza as my third witness.
Do you swear that the evidence you are about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may question your witness.
Please state your name.
I'm the pizza with mountains of cheese and delicious. Take a bite, please.
Where do you live?
An nicely decorated pizza box.
Why do you think you are the first choice people make while ordering to your restaurant?
That's easy. First of all, because I taste great and because the variety of all the ingredients. I contain tomato sauce, which is extremely healthy, and for this reason so am I. Onions are rich in chromium, vitamin C and fiber. They help to lower blood sugar, cholesterol, as well as blood pressure. Black olives are another great addition to pizza. Olive containing ingredients that help ward off heart disease and lower cholesterol. The red pepper is a great pizza topping. They are sweet and tasty, as well as full of vitamins C, E, and B6. Also, you can find it just about anywhere, frozen or steaming.
I object. We have already shown that most of the nutritious value of the vegetables is lost due to the heat of cooking, and health experts have warned that the regular pizza contains more calories, saturated fat and salt than the average person requires over a full day.
Thank you. You may step down.
Are there any summaries?
Your Honor, we have shown that the most evident advantage of fast food is that it saves time. In today's fast-paced life, there is nothing better than getting a ready meal. No matter how much the chef spreads the benefits of fresh food, at the end of a hard working day, when one returns home, all tired and hungry, a pizza or a burger can be a godsend. Besides the time an individual has to spend in the kitchen, cooking a meal also requires the time to make the trip to the supermarket to buy the ingredients for the dish. Then is the added effort and time consumed washing and peeling the vegetables. All this makes for fast food sport more preferably over cooking a meal for a busy individual.
Your Honor, fast food is an invention of modern times. Ready-made food being served fast and right in front of us is like a blessing after a hard day's work. However, like everything, it has its own pros and cons. Usually, fast food is higher in soya, fat, sugar, oil, fried meat, salt, cheese, mayonnaise, and obviously calories. The greatest disadvantage of fast food is the adverse effect that it has on one's health. It is a fact that fast food is more unhealthy than home-cooked meals, as it contains higher amounts of unwanted nutrients like salt, fat, and various types of additives. It may contain harmful bacteria too. Frying destroys most of the essential nutrients from fast food. Very small amounts of vegetables and fruits are normally present in fast food. Such type of food is an important contributor to obesity in the world's population. We have shown that fast food products are not healthy and that fruit consumption is a must nowadays. Fruits are goldmine of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Since they are in their natural form, it's much easier for the body to process and absorb the vitamins and minerals from the fresh fruit. Fruits are nature's wonderful medicines packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are an absolute feast to our sight, not just because of their color and flavor, but their unique nutrition profile that help the body stay fit and healthy. Their overall benefits are manifold. Fruit nutrition benefits are infinite. You are protecting yourself from minor ailments like minting of skin, hair fall, memory loss, to major ailments like age-related macular degeneration of the retina in the eyes, Alzheimer's disease, colon cancers, weak bones, and the list of fruit nutrition benefits never ends.
Thank you. Does that conclude the evidence?
Yes, it does.
You now have all heard the evidence. Now, it's up to decide whether fast food is good or bad for your health if you choose out consuming as many fruit as possible. The verdict is in your hands now. So think thoroughly and choose your lifestyle wisely.